Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bonjour, la français, le patois, je suis le manafara à l'epsli, et je suis le français l'appli et tout la de faux soi.
Et tout l'avant et le brus tout le fait télé le matrus tout le que ta brus tête le te de voir gudis bada wala télé brus katu le vitesse smart first hat to reste bas.
Tori patani miniklahi, just le pahi, e suplika, et just li mati prihalapi a pierre hile just patihi.
Kanito na tikita mandu kate, la kito no katalibu kanchina kito talabu chigana telebodo vrai pesentelo.
We want to thank everybody for watching the PADI PADI show this morning. We want to say thank you for watching and thank you for staying with us. Have a wonderful show while we go on up to 12 o'clock this beautiful morning. Here they come.
Here they come.
We'll go break.
We'll go break. We don't know how to start the show. So we are lack of creativity this morning. Boy, you are turning to something very wonderful.
Yeah. Will they come back?
They come. We've got a hot match tonight, and it's come down to penalty kicks. Peterson for Yale, taking the first approach. Oh! Spectacular! North Carolina's goalkeeper Richards just let one in past him now, so now the burden rests on Yale's Scott Sterling. Here he comes, nerves of steel, that man, dealing with more pressure now than a submarine. Indeed. Home crowd showing some appreciation. Johnson places the ball on the spot, getting ready. That man literally has a cannon for a leg. Yes, he does. Here he goes, winding up for the shot, and... Oh! The cannon has fired and hit Sterling directly to the face. We clocked that at a stunning 116 kilometers per hour. Now that's a lot of miles per hour. Little chance that man's nose is not broken right now. Oh, indeed. Now, Sterling getting checked out for that one. Spectacular save, though, but sadly, he's not out of the woods yet. On his feet now, a bit shaken, but not stirred. This crowd absolutely loves this man. And Sterling's teammates welcome him back a hero for now. He yells up again for the second attempt, looking to make it 2-0. He approaches the ball with some determination. Here he goes. Oh! It's high and wide, way off target. Yes, apparently he thought he was kicking a field goal. Wrong kind of football, I'd say. Good show. Back now to Scott Sterling. He looks a bit worse for wear, but ready for round 2. And Shaw takes a moment. Here he goes with the approach. Oh! Sterling with a fantastic dive. The ball flies straight through his hands and once again strikes him straight in the schnoz. And let's see it again on the old instant replay. Oh, every excruciating detail captured in HD perfection. Clocked at 129 kilometers per hour. Yeah, Sterling does not look well. 2 wonderful saves and 2 definite concussions. They may replace him at this point. He's done all he can. Yes, as his trainer takes him off the field like a mustached lion dragging a gazelle through the Serengeti. Adieu, Scott Sterling. Adieu. Yale now with their 3rd PK. Richards is in the goal, bouncing like an infant girl. The crowd holds their breath as he goes in. Here it comes! Oh! Very anticlimactic. Let's see who they got to replace Scott Sterling is back! He's still in the game! Oh my! And he's taking a very odd tactic now. Seems to be curling up to protect his face. Not exactly a recommended technique, but here it goes. Wait, no. Lampert needs to tie his shoe. Oh, and that's why you do a double knot, kids. Sterling still waiting for the kick to happen. He's probably wondering when. Oh! Sweet buttered crumpet! The ball drills Sterling right in the face! That man's nose must be absolutely devastated! He's gonna look like a witch that blew her broom into her nose and then crashed into a hammer! I hardly even care about this attempt! Let's go back to Scott Sterling! The man! The myth! The legend! 3 perfect blocks by Sterling and his cat-like face reflexes! Absolutely incredible! Though I must say, Sterling does not look well at all. Well, you know football players like to add a bit of drama, don't they? They're gonna take him out? No, wait! They brought him a chair! Oh, a bold move by the manager! Bain sets up for the 4th attempt! And this, frankly, is a gimme. He literally just has to kick it anywhere except where Sterling is sitting. There is no possible way that North Carolina can mess up this shot. Oh! 158 kilometers per hour! This man can do no wrong! Look at him beg for mercy when it's mercy that should be begging for him! He has looked death in the eye and said, take your best shot! To which Death replies by punching him in the face. Oh.
kill the guy. Now their plan.
He be like,
You know, say the first time he begged, say, if they don't the first time, second time, the first time he survive him. The second time, he talks small. The third one, the last one is,
he
I
say,
beg.
no, please. Even, that guy, be like, who the plan come, the whole, he be like, who the plan come.
See. After the last one, yeah!
This day, nine destiny with this.
Now still come meet them. Oh my God!
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. You don't do. All right, you don't do.
Thank you. That was a good ginger.
Nine destiny.
Nine destiny. But what killed him? He was killed by several shots of football.
If like they plan, like say, okay, today we'll destroy your nose.
And I tell you this thing.
5 shots, one person face. How wicked can football be?
I'm telling you.
All right, we'll go for yarn. The yarn.
Oh my word.
The yarn.
The yarn. All right, so now remember this particular guy. Do you like the cocoa? I like the cocoa. Do you need the cocoa? Do they tell them the cocoa? Now remember the guy.
The cocoa.
The band. I'm the band. Bengali. Janla. Understand me now? You know, say, upon all the celebrating 10 years in the industry, celebrating 10 years of music, celebrating this, celebrating that, doing new video, bringing video vision all the way from the London place, then go South Africa, go host all those many things, them, Oga. They say that court case of that money where you owe. And they say the case now, you don't enter March 30. So when you do your celebration finish, come back.
I'm the
Get it. Come back. Make you can't do your lawsuit. Where they for inside Obalende. Obalende courthouse where they there.
They even put in picture joint for the voting self.
You know, so they serve them now.
Yeah, now.
So come there. Make you come Obalende for inside the 2015 March 30. Make you can't do your court something. You know, now for in house now.
They paid for the gate.
Last year, they paid all of them put for in house because they say they owe plenty money. The person with the company where they owe against self. Now vice chairman of Broron Group, Ojoho. Now also the vice chairman Mind Hub Technologies. You understand? I they sue am say, Oga, they come and pay me my millions of naira. So Oga, when you finish your hosting, you finish your party, you know, you finish your video shoots in South Africa, you finish enjoy all the VCs, you can now do what? Go back to the courthouse in Obalende and serve your paper and serve well. Well,
anyway, Bengali, my brother, this is the cocoa. This particular issue
is the cocoa.
Is the cocoa.
Yeah.
Because my brother, no. Don't be waiting one day look our celebrities there for this country like be that. Because now we can't look anybody with drive to come now. We can't look and say, you don't go borrow. Anyone we pass now, so we don't go even trust anyone now.
But you know, say this show, more talk and as they be. You know, say 90% of the celebrities, all those flashy things where they talk, say they get.
Yes.
Majority of them na under borrow.
And at the same time, they don't,
majority of them na packaging.
True.
2, of which few of them they get them. And according to etc., many of them, many of them, they build house for their dream. When we say now only their dream, the house not the reality. Now only few of them get them true. Just so you know.
That's the reason why now they always watch everything. Not go to say because they see the blinks
and
everything
for it.
Now waiting you want become. If they do music unto say because you want to affect lives positively and do good music. Young ones they for outside they wanna the year.
Not be everything that glitter, that is a word. It's a word. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, for instance, I meta udeme in him, 30 years old truck loader. They say this guy enter one kind of bege with a family. My friend Udeme.
He's a great man.
Enter this kind of bege with a family. Him and his wife, they fight their fight.
Yeah.
So in the process of all the fighting, when they fight, they begin themselves. Now the wife's son can't enter. Now the man's stepson now can't fall in. He can't see where Udeme, they brush him, mama. Can't they scatter house. They beat and give an uppercut, they give an elbow, they give an head boot, you know, give an summer slam, different things. Now the back look say, enough it take him. As boy making see the man, they beat him, mama, for waiting. As he say, make himself rush for the whole thing to save the situation, make him separate everything. Now the man hold out. Just target in right ear. Colombian, just put in ear for up. Use teeth, come out and yim.
Wow.
See the boy now, the guy is earless.
Wow.
Come on, the guy ear. They're going to say, are you a cannibal? Only you a Clifford?
Vandalism of the ear.
Vandalize the boy ear, come out like this now.
Ha!
Yeah? The boy blood everywhere, full with blood. And the boy run, go police station, go report the whole thing. In all cases, the man said follow, come report the thing too. Say she. And they say, oh, guys, stay here,
stay one place.
You are a cannibal.
A cannibal.
You understand? How person would all look like this now? Next he go say na devil or na anger or na society.
Or na government.
Or government.
Or situation of things.
It's a very, very wrong thing. A man of your own age. But well,
Chopping
either way, it's a very, very
ear.
shocking thing. But the guy could remind me of Peter for Bible. When they say Peter, you come up person here on behalf of Jesus. That is what remind me of now. So I beg. Everybody keep all of your anger and everything in check.
You know, say now, when the guy won't marry now, if the girl do anyhow, the mama go say, listen, you cannot separate me and my son. My son's ear was chopped off for my sake. You understand? Okay.
And at the same time too, the man now, say, you know get how prison no go touch him for this way in do so. But they go look at inside prison now, everybody go to fear him. Because if you no fight too, but if he hold you with teeth.
Well, I'll tell you this thing. If you come out different things.
If you just enter inside prison now, they look everybody. They in own church like this. If you near me anyhow. Say no near mo capo. Where be the prison bros? We say that guy my right hand man now. No, anybody will mess up. Bite your ear. Come on your heart with the teeth.
All right, thank you very much. We will go on a very short break. When we come back from the short break, we'll continue with the show. Take tuned, places still Wazobia PADI PADI. We here on channel 195 Star Times. We shall be right back. Thank you very much. We are back. Je suis la petite. Jokes suis le plahi. La trou ta la célébro.
French, I've been in Mexico. You speak. Which one you can't speak now? La pro, la fravo, they can't sound like Mexican, they sound like French.
Now anyone where they hear, just help me.
Tu l'avons et prostituées, les prosconnes, les partidos, les reconnues que les brusquettes la bonne monotétes.
Speak Chinese.
Different this thing.
Chinese.
No, I don't have that.
You sabi.
And the kunja gota, the second jingawa, Bagunja gawa, Sigi won't funky you one jingawa. Can you want to go but you would have war. You know, one jingawa. Militia Fagunine, which I can want you for war. But you're gonna be fool. You be fool, I swear you be fool.
All right, okay, so this last story, we go run the package together, me and my guy, my G. Now, put your hand here. So this particular one where we get to.
Together something. Together we stand.
This particular man is a very rubbish man. I will tell you the reason why.
He's a rubbish man.
He's a rubbish man. Yes. This man now, he shoots in Peking. He shoots 2 for leg, 1 for buttocks. He said because of saying they discipline them. Now they ask the man, say, Oga, what is your problem? The man talk, say, well, I work them when they can't go school. They don't go school. Now yeah, say make I teach them a lesson. He just shoots them for like, po, po, po. Can't shoot the last one for bomb, po. So he shoots in 3 children. I think you are a retarded man.
Is the crazy somebody?
I think you are retarded.
These the children do testing.
Use the children, they do testing. See, can you imagine?
Say, you know if you use your own leg, ni.
You know the name of the man?
What's it mean?
Mr. Majewski.
Majewski.
Yes, something like that.
You are a Mujvistri. See, yeah, and it really sounds like mayalistic. Like mayalistic.
If I was
you see people when they get all these kind of things, when people like Mayowa and some other people, that they get some kind of issues. It's a mental problem. When this guy now reason that he's saying they're okay, I lie, no they're okay. I go, y'all look. Say you want discipline your children, he say gone to testing.
He said a mistake. He said an accidental. But they say you're gonna lie. We don't charge you for attempted murder. We charge you for child abuse and we charge you for child battery.
All the battery, child abuse, child battery, child molestation, child everything, you are guilty.
You can't call it disciplinary wound.
That means the guy disciplinary wound. That means now, the day where the pikin now, maybe they fail assignment, and that girl will be there, that small boy. Just say, yeah, Mona enter bush. Mona enter bush. Yeah, anyone like catch, fire you down.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, enter you. Tunde pass here. F Young, follow that place. You, Annie, follow that side. Then. You fail exam. Pow! You did do it. Pow! You don't know the F Young. Come, bring your calabar head down. Pow!
You can't call that disciplinary kill.
Say disciplinary something. No. You are a rubbish man.
You need to have your brain checked.
Seriously.
You are not okay.
They need to use screwdriver to check your brain. Because right now, you are provoking me in the inner somebody's wrong way.
You understand me now? You're familiar with this kind of situation.
No, the team is saying, no, I understand you. I know when they look person and they want to target you with a gun something. Yeah, this guy, they provoke my esophagus. You understand me? My spinal cord, he had disarranged because it's here. You understand? It's here.
Your esophagus is where?
It's there for you. Not here. Don't wait for you. You understand? It's somewhere inside the inner region. You understand? And my spinal cord, disarranged just because I'm provoking. My spinal cord, sorry, which side did it again? So sorry. Along the line. All right? Because you provoke me. Due to provocation, you get to provoke Christian. This guy, you're inside this studio now. Can't test me. Say, you are provoking me too. Boom!
It goes on a disciplinary provoke.
Yes, disciplinary provoke. Yeah, you stupid somebody. What's wrong about you?
Wow. Oh my God. Okay, so we go just enter Laugh the Laugh now. I better give us our Laugh the Laugh videos and pictures.
That guy, now they're supposed to use that football they test.
Yes, make them scatter in head.
Use football. Then Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, all the great time footballers, they just set that guy down. They use football, they scatter in destiny like this.
Oh, but Olivia, you know, so before we enter inside this thing now, we need to warn. See, now the only opportunity we get to warn these people with that. These people, them, where they talk for our inside our ear.
Yes.
Una where they back of this thing, where they control this thing. I go mention all of them one by one. Tunde Raji, F Young, Annie, all these people, they bad, Jeff, all of una we they warn you. The next time when you talk inside my ear, waiting you talk, I go talk and come out. I don't want to know whether it is okay or not. So that we not go enter trouble, now make them give us name. So that if they say, who talk it, I'll say, sir, it's what they tell me in the backstage that I talk in the front stage. You just told me now, F Young. You just told me that your father, my biological daddy. Who do you think you are?
F Young, your real daddy too.
Who do you think you are?
What's strong about you? This is our producer of life. We know you are doing a great job.
But respect yourself.
Respect yourself. If not, we'll take you down.
Yes.
You understand me now?
What do you mean? You go fight.
We'll take you down now. You understand? You not be come out.
Oh yeah, wait.
Come out.
Wait, no.
The ginger don't die.
Just give us laugh the laugh. Just respect yourself.
Please.
Whoa! 4. Okay. You all right?
I am. Oh my God!
No speed.
Oh!
You know, Seba, sometimes when you want to do over Sabi, not be say you know Sabi the thing, but you over Sabi won't complain to you, just hit yourself.
But without a mistake, you cannot see new things to do invention on top. So you must make mistake before you finally get that thing where you don't want to
achieve. You see the good in everything, Ogbolo.
Yeah, I did very optimistic.
You see the good everything.
I'll be optimistic guy.
What's be the meaning of optimistic?
Optimistic. That means you always hope for better things. You always see the cup as half full.
Wow. Rather than half empty.
You understand?
Why say?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Have we have a picture? Please give it to us at its hot. Now.
Oh yeah, picture. Now, share our face. Now be the picture. Okay, no picture. More preach.
No picture. No problem. Right. Leave on like that.
Leave on like that.
Wow. That is somebody's back head. That's the back of somebody's
But if you look at this picture where it would be like Ani Baba. Without the beer.
Okay, without the beer, yeah.
You get this slight resemblance. Drunken people crossing.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Bad as he bad. Bad as he bad. Maybe therefore no jam there with trailer. Jam there with motor car.
This is not encouragement to people that always sabi drink. The drunken people, who they can't be now. That means old people feel they drink. Young people feel they drink. Any which way, we don't know who the drinking people be, but in a good thing. In a good thing. If we get more of this one for Lagos, Friday could make sense. All right, for that day we'll call the picture things to a close for now because we don't get too much time on our hands.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And we go like to tell all of you now, say make una follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI.
Jeez.
We did there for you live and direct. Follow us for Twitter, follow us for Instagram, follow us for all the followables. Facebook, we did there for you at Wazobia TV NG. Follow us for there for Instagram and you go see every way you need to see. Ogolo, you see professionalism. Did you feel it? Oh God.
Professionalism.
Yeah.
Professionalism.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't feel it. You are not professional now.
I know one professional.
You are not professional.
If not that one, I'm not
at
professional.
all.
Because I don't see people with professional these days. Or who they blow them. Some people can't they unprofessional, can't they make money?
And
my sister, if not that one, make I remain unprofessional. Make I not professional. One thing. All right, but like we like to tell everybody, I beg. Make una just make sure say una dey very, very all right, okay?
Yes, and I just want to tell you, say it will be Friday in a couple of days. 2 days from now is going to be Friday. My favorite day in the whole universe is on Friday. So
you announce this Friday one
I'm
day.
waiting.
You come back on Monday, we'll not see you.
I'm waiting for Friday to come.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we'll come on back to top PADI PADI show. You know, hope say you don't love everything.
Now.
Right?
You don't have phone.
And now they speak so now.
Oh, yeah, speaker now.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I want to speak pidgin English in a tush way.
That's okay.
Understand?
That's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we thank everybody. We don't follow stand on top of the PADI PADI show for today. And we hope say we'll be here tomorrow too. Will be Thursday. Yes, Thursday. And the 5th day of March. You understand? Thursday, not a chick won't be that.
Okay, now girls won't do that. And I also that. Like, we hope so. Una enjoy the show. And we go talk to una again tomorrow.
Well, you chop, you know clean teeth.
I clean. Which part?
You did for the one live chicken. All right, so we'll see you now. We'll see you now tomorrow. God bless all of you, and see you all next time on top of the show.
Did you realize you took this thing inside my eye?